Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features, and of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, and again just walk yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle itself is a 430D M Sport Gran Coupe, presented in the Snapper Ox Blue, and of course we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. The vehicles come with the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, which are presented in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and they're in fantastic condition all the way around, which is again a point I will highlight and show you as we go around the car. At the front of the vehicle you'll see it's a 2017 17 plate, also benefits from the facelift. However, not only have we got the facelifted headlamps up front, we've also got the superb and very sought after BMW adaptive LED headlamps at the front there, so whichever angle the steering input is made to, the headlamps will follow to of course increase overall vision in darker conditions. Moving on down the side of the car, situated behind those lovely alloys, you'll see there the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle also being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package. Down the side we've got the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals along with the sun protection glazing. Another addition we've made here at your next car is we've added the gloss black side mirrors, as you can see there. And again, hopefully you can see that all of the exterior condition on this car is in fantastic condition as well. The interior is equally as special as the exterior. Being on this car, we've got the very nice black Dakota leather with M highlight seats, as you can see there. Again, all in a nice order and definitely a very special interior. You also get, for the front passengers and drivers, the electric movement, memory for driver's side, and of course the heated seat option as well. And there you can see the Harman Kardon surround sound once again, thanks to that fantastic M Sport Plus pack. Moving on to the rear seats now, where again you'll find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again trying to highlight it as best as possible that this vehicle is in wonderful condition. Darkened M Sport headlining of course, and again showing you off those fantastic alloys. At the back of the car we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. The car also comes equipped with a rear facing reversing camera, which again is always a very sought after option. Facelifted rear lights once again making the car look even sharper than it already does. And before heading on inside the car, I'll just show you these alloy wheels once more. Again, trying to show you that they're all in fantastic condition. And we'll now make our way on inside the car, because as I've mentioned, there is a lot to get through on this vehicle. As you will have seen there, we've got the powerful mirrors equipped to the car, and a huge optional extra inside this vehicle is the lovely digital cockpit. So at the moment the car's just in its normal performance mode select, so we get a fairly regular looking display. However, when you take the revs up, the numbers do come up enlarged. However, when we engage sport, that is when we'll notice a big difference. Everything glows red. We also get a huge digital speedo. Overall mileage is 58,373, as you can see there now. And I'll run you through a couple of the features on the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently there is of course the nav function, which utilises real-time traffic updates. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and of course audio. However, alongside that, this vehicle also comes equipped with the Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. And we've also got normal DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection, USB and AUX inputs. Down here is where we find the dual climate control, along with our switches for the heated seats. However, the seats are not the only thing to be heated in this car, as it is also equipped with the heated M Sport steering wheel. And I'll quickly just show you the service requirements and service history for this wonderful 430D before heading on back outside the car. The next service is not due for 3,800 miles and does also have full BMW service history as well. And of course, not forgetting to show that rear facing reversing camera that also has the parking assist package as well, as you can see there now on screen. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. Certainly for further information, if you do require any, down below in the description you'll find a link to our website along with direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much, and we do hope to see yourselves very soon. Thank you and goodbye.